Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to screen record on Oneplus. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open the quick settings panel and here search for the screen record icon. And if you don't find the screen record icon here, then click on this three dot more icon and then click on edit tiles. Now here in more functions, search for screen record icon, and then after finding the screen record icon, click on this add icon. Now the screen record icon is added. Now go back, and when you want to record your screen, just simply swipe down and here click on screen recording, and after that allow permissions. Now from here you can turn on or turn off record system sound and record microphone sound. So after adjusting the sound settings, just simply tap on this red icon to start recording. So now it is recording my screen. Now once you have finished recording your screen, just simply again tap on this red dot to stop recording. Now here click on the stick icon to save recording, and now this recording is saved in your gallery. So just simply tap on open your gallery, and now you can watch your screen recording. So that's how you can screen record on OnePlus mobile. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.